In this video, I'm going to go over quadratic regression. This is asking for you to find which equation matches the data. So a ball is rolling down a hallway and its position is recorded at 5 different times. Use the given data to find the quadratic regression for it. We're going to input this data in our calculator and then follow a couple of steps to get these answers directly. So we're going to just recall that we need to go to new document. If there's a document open, you just put no, we're not saving it. We're going to open a spreadsheet, so list and spreadsheet. And then right here, we're going to put this data in there. But we need to first label the columns X and Y. And then we're going to put 1, 2, 4. And I think I meant rows. I always confuse columns and rows. I'm sorry. Okay, so we're going to do 9, 12, 17, 21, and 26. Make sure this box that I'm moving is not here in the gray area or in the data. The calculator is just picky. So whenever you get to the last one, just move it to the side. If you leave it in this area, it will not let you get the data. So after this, we're going to go to menu. We're going to go to statistics, stat calculations, and we want the calculator to do quadratic regression. When you press that, it's going to ask you, what do you want the calculator to use for X? So you're going to click here and select that you want the X. And then for this one, you want the Y. So you could just go to OK after that. A value is immediately given to you, B value is right here, and C value. And in class, I mentioned to write this equation and just look at 2 decimal places, kind of like just money. So the equation has to look like standard form. And you just got to grab the A value, B value, and C value. So for A value, it looks like it's negative 0.03 x squared. B value, we're going to look at it as 2.69 x, and then C value will be like 6.55. So this should be the equation for this graph, and all you have to do is go to your answer choices and see which one matches. It looks like the last option of negative 0.349 matches, just because the others are, the only other negative will be the third one, and that's not 0.3. And then the 2, I just noticed a typo because my answer choices here is 0.03, 2.69, 6.54. The 2.69 matches and the 6.54 matches. Maybe it was a typing mistake, but yeah, it's definitely the last one. Okay, just ignore the A value. It should be 0.0349.